Understanding idiomatic expressions. The bot is stuck. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions in English. Specifically, we'll unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, "the bot is stuck." By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what this phrase means but also how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's get started. When we say, "the bot is stuck," we're using an idiomatic expression. This phrase isn't about a robot trapped somewhere physically. Instead, it's a metaphorical way to express that a program or process is not progressing as expected. It's commonly used in tech circles but is increasingly becoming part of everyday language due to the rise of digital technology in our lives. Understanding an idiom requires context. Let's see how "the bot is stuck" is used in different scenarios. 1. In technology, when a software program or a bot is not responding or is unable to proceed with its task, a technician might say, "It seems the bot is stuck. Let's debug to find the issue." 2. In daily life, this phrase can also be used metaphorically to describe situations where someone is unable to move ahead with their tasks or make a decision. For example, "I'm like a bot stuck on this problem. I can't figure out the solution." To fully grasp the phrase, it's important to understand the words "bot" and "stuck." A bot is short for a robot or, in most modern contexts, a software application designed to automate certain tasks. Stuck implies being unable to move or progress. Combined, they convey a situation of impasse or non-functionality. And that's a wrap on "the bot is stuck." We hope this video has shed light on this idiomatic expression and its various nuances. Remember, language is not just about words but also the ideas and cultural nuances they convey. So, keep exploring and don't be afraid to get stuck. Sometimes, it's all part of the learning journey. Until next time, happy learning!